How to enable or disable sound alerts for appliances, car horn, doorbell or door knock, or water running on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, we scroll down and in here, tap on Sound Recognition. Next, tap on the Sound Recognition toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Then we go down and then tap on Sounds. After that, go down to the Household section and then tap on Appliances. Then tap on the toggle button in here to switch it on or turn it off. In here, you can also change the alert tones as well. Rebound is the default alert tone. You can change it to a different one. Now go back and then you can then switch on or switch off car horn alert sound, doorbell, door knock, glass breaking, kettle or water running. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.